All right, this is our homework and practice 3-8. Solve 1 and 2-step problems. So another look, write equations to solve 2-step problems. Allison collected 23 rocks. Jason collected 15 more rocks than Allison. Phil collected 3 fewer rocks than Allison. How many rocks does Jason have? How many rocks does Phil have? So the number of rocks Jason has is 23, plus remember he has 15 more than Allison. Okay, so 23 plus 10 equals 33, and 33 plus 5, because we broke this 15 here into a 10 plus 5. So we know that Jason has 38 rocks. You can count back 3 from 23 to find the number of rocks Phil has. Because remember it says Phil collected 3 fewer. So 23, 22, 21, 20. So Phil has 20 rocks. I know this is a lot. It's a new concept, so we're just introducing it right now, getting used to it, and we'll circle back to it later in a few months. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We're going to be writing equations. Remember, that just means our math sentence to solve the problems. There are 4 fewer, I'm going to have a little subtraction there, students in Miss Jagger's class than Mr. Curley's class. Mr. Curley's class has 20 students. How many students are in Mrs. Jagger's class? Well, we know Mr. Curley's has 4 fewer, so 20 minus 4 equals what? We can count backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. 16 students. All right, let's look over here at number 2. There are 13 green grapes and 7 red grapes in a bowl. Joe ate 5 of the grapes. How many grapes are in the bowl now? So we've got 2 steps. Our first one is we need to find the total number of grapes. 13 plus 7. I know 13 plus 7 is 20. We're going to move that 20 down here. So we have 20. And he ate 5 of them. Minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. So we have a total of 15 grapes. All right, let's turn it over to the back and do the back side. We're going to do a little algebra. Remember, with algebra, we're just looking for something that's missing from the equation. All right, something plus 42 equals 58. So we have to figure out what this is. Something plus 42 equals 58. Well, I can do one thing where I can actually subtract these and it will give me the other answer. 58 minus 42. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So my answer is going to be 16. Now in this one, we've got 33 plus 49. We know we just need to add to get that answer. An equal sign means the same as. So I'm going to add them. 33 plus 49. Now I can add the ones together. 3 plus 9 equals 12. And 3 groups of 10 plus 4 groups of 10 is going to be 70, right? 10, 20, 30 plus 40 more is 70. And then I can add 70 plus 12. So I can do the ones place first. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 7 is 8 in the tens place, so we get an answer of 82. All right, let's take a look at our last one here. 76 plus something equals 89. We can do like what we did over here. We can just subtract our sum from a part. 89, minus 76. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we have an addend that equals 13. All right, write equations to solve each problem. There are 6 girls at a park. 6 boys join them. I'm going to stop right there. 6 girls plus 6 boys. 6 plus 6 is 12. It's a doubles fact. Then 4 girls go home. Ooh, so we have a total of 12. Remember, we're doing our second part. 12 minus how many girls? 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So we have 8 children left at the park. All right, number 7, our higher order thinking. Remember, this is going to be our brain exercise. Mr. Villa's class has 23 students. Miss Anderson's class has 3 more students than Mr. Villa's class. How many students are there in all? So, what we need to do first is we're going to do 23 plus 3 equals. 23 plus 3 equals 26. But is it asking if we have 26? Nope, because we need to, this is how much Miss Anderson's class is. Miss Anderson, you don't need to write that. That's just for me. She has 3 more than Mr. Villa's. So we have 26, but Mr. Villa's class has 23. So we need to add this. I'm going to add my ones together first. I know that 6 plus 3 is not going to be higher than 9. It is 9. So I don't have to regroup. I can do 9. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So there's a total of 49 students. All right, let's take a look at our assessment here. Mike used 27 nails to build a chair. Okay, so he starts with 27. He used 14 more, so we know we're going to be adding 14 more nails to build a table than he used to build a chair. So we're going to need to see what we have to do first. So use 14 more nails to build a table than he used to build the chair. How many nails did Mike use to build the table? So we need to find 27 plus 14 equals, let's see, 7 plus 4 equals 11, and 20 plus 10 equals 30. So 30 plus 10 equals 41. So there is our answer. Not as crazy as we thought it was going to be. So 27 plus 14 was 41. So there you go. Great job, everybody.